Right now, if you say the message that the Amazon sends as the notification has been my best notification moment. As soon as it's a tidding, so it is the best noise I feel. 45 days by far till yesterday, I've crossed 1,60,000 of
Wow,
sales.
simply great, great, great. Hi Karthik, so just let me know about your background. Before Amazon, what were you doing or what is your job or profession?
So, a small introduction for me. So, my name is Karthik Shah. I live in Bombay, Maharashtra. So, I used to work in a trampoline park as a manager over there. So, that I started before lockdown. And after lockdown, everything got stuck. So, I had to, the malls and all were shut. So, I had to transfer from there to something new.
Okay.
And so one of my friend was, we were talking about Amazon and selling on Amazon. So one of my friends, she gifted me your one day the project you have for a day. So she gifted
Yes.
me as in that part, said you just have a look at it, just if you find it good, then try opting for the 6 days campaign. So I was like, let's find it out. So that's how I joined the Amazon campaign you were having. So before that, I used to work in a mall which was a trampoline park,
Mm-mm.
especially. I was a manager over there,
Okay. So right now you are continuing your job or selling only on Amazon?
selling only on Amazon. So in Bombay, it is still very difficult. I mean, the pandemic is going on, so everything is still shut. So nothing is
Okay.
open. So I had to give my letter, and then I was focused on Amazon itself.
Great, great, great. So when did you join our community and when did you launch your Amazon account?
So I joined on. I've seen your videos on, I think, the May batch
Okay.
in May, and by 6th of June, that was between. I mean, within 1 month, I launched my products on 6th of June. I started selling on 6th June. On 6th June, I received my first order itself
Okay.
without sending on FB and without any ads. So I don't
Okay.
know how.
So how was your feeling on receiving the first order because that's so special, right?
It was like right now, if you say the message that the Amazon sends as the notification has been my best notification moment. As soon as it's a tidding, so it is the best noise I feel on any part of the day. As soon as I get that notification, I'm like, yes, one more order. So that was the best feeling as soon as you get your first order on your first day itself.
Okay,
It was an
okay.
amazing feeling.
Oh, great. So in the past, I would guess it is approximately 45 days. So in the past 45 days, how much sales have you made on Amazon?
45 days by far till yesterday, I've crossed 1,60,000 of
Wow,
sales.
simply great, great, great. So did you think while joining the 6-day program that you are going to make money in lakhs? Did you think that?
Not so soon. I was
Okay.
thinking, I was like more of practical that come on, you can't be earning in lakhs on the first month or the second month itself. So it might be taking a little bit slower way, but then by God's grace, I guess, and your help, piling on one, adding everything. So it gave us the result where we are
Okay.
right now. Yeah.
Great. So, what is the one tip that you would share to a new beginner? Like, what made you success? What you feel that is the tip that you want to share with your other students or etc.
What I feel for others are never to get distracted. That if
Mm.
someone else is selling the same product, that never feel that he is always going to be on the top. There will be chances where there might be problems that you can take over him. So never feel that if he's selling too much, you
Mm.
can't be selling your part too. And just find that one product and never let it go out of stock.
Okay,
Just
okay.
find that one product if it is giving you good results, and just never let it go out of stock.
Mm-mm.
That's the motto I feel I have right now. That I
Okay.
have 2 or 3 products which are going very boom. So I just don't. I did that mistake 2 to 3 weeks before I got the Amazon choice for my
Mm.
particular product, and then I had it out of stock for at least two days.
Okay.
So then it shifted. So let's hope I get it back soon.
Okay. So you are into home and kitchen category, right?
Yeah.
So what made you to select that particular category? What type of product research you did on the category?
So actually, my dad was into home utensils from a very long time. He is into manufacturing of home utensils into very long time since his childhood.
Okay.
So I used to sit in the factory with him to learn to understand the process of how the utensils are being made and how much different variety of utensils, how much different quality of utensils are being made. So as per you said that the quality should be must. If you are selling on Amazon, you need to send the top quality. So after looking into the market for a long time, understanding the quality of people are giving. So I was like, I need to give them a better quality. So that's how I wanted them to go for a product which gives them a good quality and is reliable for a longer period of time. So that's how I wanted to go with the product, basic products which each and everyone requires on the daily basis. So which gives them a good rotation every 4 months, 5 months after they want to shift one product to another.
Okay. So the question that I asked was like, you are right now a full-time Amazon seller. So do you think that after the malls have resumed or something like that, will you be planning to go back to your job or continue as an Amazon seller?
I don't think I will go back to working for a job right now again because the jobs I find are not very flexible. So I think Amazon is giving us a flexibility and as well as it helps you grow. If it gives you the flexibility, it gives you a push to grow and expand yourself, find something new as well. For a job, I feel it is a little stuck between the working hours, and that is the main working hour time, that is 9 to 5. So that is like the peak time if you want to find something outside in the market for Amazon. So I'll say a no to job now.
Okay, great. So what is the investment that you have done for Amazon selling?
For Amazon selling investment, I started with 50,000 rupees.
Okay.
As in for so all documents, and also what I wanted to be is I wanted to be a perfect person who wanted to be focused on the business. So I had my agreement done on a partnership agreement with my family itself. And took all the required documents for it, be it trademark, be it PAN, be it GST, be it TAN, all the perfect documents I have been removed. So that was a little bit expensive, I guess. So that was around 15 to 20K for the documents itself. For all the documents, trademark, PAN, and everything. And then 30,000 I invested in my products initially. And then I was working from home, so there is no investment for that. So that helped me a lot.
Yeah, that's great actually. But you have invested 15,000 in documents. Of course, GST is only required to start selling. But still, I understand when it comes to family, it's different.
It's different. And in Bombay or in my community, so I'm Gujarati by community. So in our community, it is believed that you need to be proper when you need to start a business. As in you need to have proper documentations. That is what my father and my relatives used to believe. So then I was like, let's go for documents right now so that in future I don't have to worry about the documents.
Yeah, that's really a great start. Okay, what's your plan for the next 3 months, or where do you see that your brand will go? And if you're okay to share your brand name, yes, you can share it on the YouTube channel.
So my brand name is Zestilo, Zestilo, Zestilo. Zest means full of energy, full of enthusiasm. So that is what Zest means. And for looking at 3 months, I am planning to grow my business by 3 times in 3 months.
Okay.
So I have a lot of products in my mind which are being lined up as soon as it is possible before the Prime Day sale. I think it might be live, and the products are on its way in transit to be at my place.
Okay.
So by the time it's 3 months, I don't know. I'll need to have an accountant, I guess, to manage all my.
That's true. You actually need it.
Yeah, I have to go for it.
Okay. So do you work on Amazon PPC ads to scale your business?
Yes, I do. I prefer ads all the time. Majority of the time, the ads have worked a lot for me. As in, the thing, you have a particular product, right, which is going boom, and you give the ad which helps it grow more. So I guess PPC ads have always been helpful. Initially, when I had only 2 to 3 sales on a day. So now after doing the ads repetitive on a particular day and being active on the ads, so it has helped me a lot. I feel PPC ads are good.
Okay. So one last question I have. Do you really think that if your friend has not gifted this Amazon workshop, will you be an Amazon seller right now? How was your Amazon, that workshop and 6-day program? How did it change your life? So what is your feel on that?
So to be very honest, I had a few friends who used to sell on Amazon and on Flipkart both. So I had a chat with him in real, talking as in to understand how does the Amazon selling works. Sorry. So how does the Amazon selling works, to be very frank. So I had taken a diary and a pen to understand. So he only talked about 2 to 3 things, that is the shipping charges, about the charges specifically. But he never told about how you can be emotionally reaching the customers, how you can do the ads, how you can select a particular product, how you can research a particular product. So when talking to him, I understood that it is very negative.
Okay.
While talking to him, but when my friend gifted me that, the particular workshop, and then I had a look on it for that 2 hours, I was like, I at least wrote 8 to 9 pages of what you gave in that particular workshop. I think this is all new. Everything is going to be very new, and it is always going to be very much fascinating when it is when you know that the online market is booming on the other hand. So you understand that it is going to be a journey. It is going to be a roller coaster ride, which is always going to be up. So that is what I feel. It's always going to be up. That's how I feel that being on Amazon, on an online platform is great.
Okay. So great. I'm really happy that I was able to bring an entrepreneur. So by this way, I feel really happy, and I wish you all the best for all the upcoming projects. And I believe that whatever your aim, 3x or something, you should definitely reach. And please post us updated about the same. So we will also get a lot of inspiration from you.